guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing an unboxing from the brand YOGACLUB. If you guys are not familiar, YOGACLUB is a styling service very similar to Stitch Fix or D&Co. However, they do specialize in active wear. I know I've mentioned it on Instagram, but I don't think I've talked about it here on YouTube. A few months ago, I purchased a Peloton for my birthday and I work out pretty much every day. So activewear is a big part of my life, and sometimes it can be seriously challenging to find good activewear, being that I am a curvier or plus size woman. So that's why I'm super excited, because today's video is actually in collaboration with YOGACLUB, and I'm super excited to announce that they have recently extended their sizes from a size extra small to a 3X, so they are now considered size inclusive, which I'm super excited about. So as I mentioned, they are a styling service. So what you do is just go online, fill out a quick little survey. You're matched with a personal stylist and they send you pieces based on what you're looking for, what your style is, what type of activities you do. And a box is curated for you, including 3 pieces. Those 3 pieces include a top, a bottom, and a sports bra, and it does cost $79. However, I do have a code for you guys, which I will link in the description box down below. That code does get you $20 off your box indefinitely. So be sure to check that link in the description box down below. Again, you get 3 pieces of clothing then for $59, which I think is an awesome deal, especially for the retail value of these pieces, which I will of course talk about as we go through. So I want to keep this intro short since I have so much good stuff to share with you guys today. So if you're interested in seeing this unboxing from YOGACLUB, then please keep watching. So this is what the box looks like when you guys receive this in the mail. It's this hot pink bright box with the YOGACLUB logo and name in the center. I love anything that comes in my mailbox that's like super bright colors. It always makes me super happy. So then we just go ahead and open it up, and then we have all of our pieces inside. Now, like I mentioned in the beginning of this video, you are sent 3 pieces. Those 3 pieces are a top, bottom, and sports bra. So that is what I received. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started with the sports bra first. So this sports bra is the Lola bra in the color navy blue in a size 1X, and its retail value is $58, and it's from the brand V Active. So this is what the sports bra looks like here. So as I mentioned, it's in this navy blue color. Pretty standard sports bra. I have a more like low impact sports bra because that's just my preference. I feel like they're the most comfortable. They usually have the cutest designs, and it's just something I like, because although I need a little bit of support, I don't like something too restricting. It's just not comfortable to me. So in the back though of this sports bra, we have this little strappy details. It looks so cute on. I'm sure you guys will be able to see it better in the try on portion. And the bottom of course is the elastic detail. Love this sports bra. The only thing I will say that I wish there were cups in here, because you know, once it gets a little bit chillier out, I'll probably need some cups. But other than that, I think it is absolutely adorable, and it matches the bottoms perfectly. So these bottoms are also from the brand V Active. They are the Lili 3/4 leggings, and I have them again in the color navy blue, and their retail value is $88. So this is what the leggings look like here. They are a high-waisted pair of cropped leggings. So as you guys can see, they're a little bit shorter on the bottom. They have pockets on the side, which you guys know I love. Pockets just make everything better, honestly, and especially in my activewear, because I'm often lifting and I don't really want to leave my phone on the floor, so it just makes it easier. The nice thing also about these leggings is they do have that little like elastic tie on the inside, so you can tighten them up if you need to. These fit me beautifully. I love the way they look on the waist. They do not slip down, which I really prefer, and I like the cropped length, especially right now, being that it is still relatively warm outside. Although I'm hoping for fall soon, have to be realistic, and it's still pretty warm here. So these are perfect. And then to go with the sports bra and the leggings, they did also send a little tank top, which is perfect for me. I did let them know in the style quiz that I prefer tank tops over like long sleeve or short sleeve tops, because I get very warm when I work out. out. Oftentimes when I work out at home, I am working out in just my sports bra, but I think it is nice to have little pieces like this one that is super lightweight to throw on. So this one again is from the brand V Active. This is the CC tank in off-white in a size 1X, and this retails for $48. This is what the tank looks like here. So it's this white racer back tank, very lightweight, super comfortable. If it's a little bit more oversized, it has a nice stretch to it as well. You guys could easily tie this up on the side, tie it up in the center, or just kind of manipulate it to whatever you guys prefer. Like I said, I usually do work out now that I work out from home, like just in my sports bra, but a lightweight tank like this is perfect, especially when it starts getting cooler and I'll need a little bit more coverage because my Peloton is in the basement and it does get pretty chilly down there. So this one is perfect, and the colors on all of these pieces, as you guys just saw, are very, very neutral, but honestly, that is my personal style. I like very neutral tones when I'm working out. I don't like too much jazz, but you do have the option, if you prefer brighter colors or neon colors or patterns, you do have the option to choose those when you fill out your style quiz online, so you can let them know. But for me, like I said, I just prefer neutral, so this box was absolutely perfect. So that's actually going to do it for this unboxing from Yoga Club. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe if you guys haven't already, and check out my Instagram. I'll have it linked in the description box down below. I will also have my discount code for you guys linked in the description box down below. If you guys are interested, again, you can get $20 off of your boxes indefinitely. So that brings it to $59 for 3 pieces of clothing. I think that's a really great deal, especially when you consider the retail value of these pieces. I feel like you honestly can't beat it. And I will have all of the items that I share with you guys as well listed in the description box down below, including my size, just to make it a little bit easier for you. Let me know in the comments down below what your favorite piece was that I shared today. If you have any additional questions regarding the service, please let me know in the comments down below, and I will do my best to answer all of those. And I will have some additional information regarding the service in the description box down below, so definitely check it out down there. But I think that's gonna do it for today's video. Thank you again so much to Yoga Club for wanting to partner with me on today's video. I hope you guys all have an amazing day, amazing week, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.